Spring is right around the corner, and this is the perfect time to plan that dream renovation before everyone else jumps in. As the weather warms up, we all start to feel that itch to refresh our homes. But did you know planning early can be the difference between a smooth reno and a total nightmare? By starting now, you'll secure the best contractors before their schedules fill up. Plus, you'll have plenty of time to get permits, choose materials, and avoid rush fees or delays. If you wait until spring, you could be stuck waiting months for your project to even get started. So before you hit that snooze button on your reno plans, let's dive into how to set yourself up for success this spring. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more home improvement tips that will keep your real estate game on point. What's up, everyone? My name is Tristan Clunas, and I'm a licensed realtor working in the greater Toronto area. First things first, guys, figure out what areas of your home need the most love. Is it time for a kitchen upgrade? Or maybe you've been dreaming of turning that unused guest room into an office. Make a list and prioritize based on what will add the most function or value to your home. This will hopefully keep you from getting sidetracked by shiny ideas. Now let's talk about the big one, your budget. Research materials, labor, and those sneaky extra costs that always show up. And trust me, add a buffer of at least 10 to 15% for unexpected surprises. Number 3 is don't just hire the first contractor you see on Instagram. Get at least 3 quotes, check their references, and be super clear on expectations from day one. The right pro will make your rental a breeze, but the wrong one will have you in tears. Finally, build a timeline that works for you and your contractors. Some materials have long lead times, especially custom stuff, so order early. Don't forget to factor in permits and inspections too. A little buffer time can save a ton of stress. So if you want to kick back and enjoy your refreshed space this spring, start planning now. Follow these steps and your renovation will be smooth sailing. Well, almost. Make sure to check out the article I linked below for even more tips. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone thinking about home renos. And of course, clueless, ask Clueless. Have a great day.